I'm a retired psychologist that's interested in finding exploding stocks in the future. I think we're in a bit of a market pullback for now. We have the market leaders being buoyed upwards by the likes of Amazon, Google, and Apple, and so forth. But the majority of stocks, and especially stocks that retail investors buy, have been going down for some time. C Limited is one of the most interesting of the e-commerce sites because it has experienced explosive growth. They have three main portions to their business. The first one is Garena, which is their mobile gaming portion of their business, and it is the most profitable. It provides about 40% of their money, and they're using that money to build out their e-commerce business, which is Shopee. Shopee is basically the major Amazon portion of their business. They are also in the fintech. There's C-Money, digital payment, and mobile wallet is the third major part of their business. The other two I'm going to briefly mention is Mercado Libre, and then there's Coupang, which is the Amazon of South Korea. They're all very different, and they're trying to do different things to some degree. Coupang has a very good reputation in South Korea. They are growing. Their sales increased 70% over last year. The price of Coupang has always hung around 40. They say it could go as high as 62, and the average prediction is about 45. But I think in this stock, you're getting a safer stock with less growth. Mercado Libre is moving into Brazil. They're going to be an established company. I think Kathy Wood is investing in Mercado Libre too. I get the impression, although nothing official, they mention working with Amazon a lot. This is a more speculative, but probably a higher growth situation. So it's basically higher risk and higher reward. Looking at the chart of C Limited, we can see they've had a lot of ups and downs this year. It seems like they are stabilizing at the present time and are probably forming a base in preparation for a breakout given their past explosive growth. They don't show positive earnings yet. One wants to keep in mind that Amazon did not show positive earnings, I think it was for more than 10 years. If they're using their money wisely, what they're doing is they're using it to grow their business. And that's something that Kathy Wood demands before she will invest in someone, is to see that they're investing their money wisely, that they're putting it into growth. So it's a very strong company. You see that explosive growth that I'm looking for. The analysts that are covering it give it good ratings. Of the 6 analysts covering it now, 1 rates it a hold, 3 rated a buy, and 2 of the 6 rated a very strong buy. I'm out with a recommendation rating of 1.6 on a 5-point scale, and anything below 2 is considered a buy, so it's a strong buy. Price targets range from a low of 260 and a high of 350, and the average of 19 different analysts comes out to $307. When we look at a comparison of the different e-commerce companies, which includes Amazon, C Limited has the best increase in their stock. They've gone up like 140%. Mercado Libre has gone up about 55%, and Amazon has gone up about 20%. Coupang has lost a little bit. Their stock price has gone down 12%. On a percentage basis, there's just more growth to be had in a new company. And also, the 3 sectors to their business is e-commerce, which is going to be a big part of it. But they already have a profitable online gaming business, and that's really keeping them afloat in many ways right now until they can get earnings, which they're putting into building out into nearby countries. They say they want to go to Brazil and other countries as well, and not just be in Southeast Asia. They've developed their own mobile online wallet, which is the third sector of their business. Coupang is more or less confined to South Korea. Sea Limited thinks they're going to take business away from Coupang. And Amazon, they are located, all over the world in many ways. The advantage will always go, in my mind, to the company that is located in the country, that is there on the ground, that can handle the problems. There's a lot of potential for all these companies, and I'm going to try to bring companies that are not just good, but are explosively good.